What? No!
It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to shop the ass. These niggas love freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, the fuck? Turned up with my niggas. Turned up bitches. Turned up in my shows. Yeah, cuz oh clicky. 60,000 fans came to see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass.
What camera guy brought the rain?
Yeah.
Pinch my finger in between the...
Yeah, you want me to call Blake's dad? He can come wrap it up for you. I don't sweat like that, bro. I don't sweat. I'm not a sweater. I'm not a sweater. I said to my wife yesterday, I'm shaving my head.
That's got a shitload of rhymes. Oh. Should be filming Corey.
Who?
It's blue shit on my head. I think it's from my jeans.
I'm jerking off a Smurf.
You should get people to comment that want to be Daniel's girlfriend. Applications. Yeah, comment for girlfriend applications for Daniel.
Perfect. She sings to you. We got the new Septic Surge Dynamac Fluid Manifold, or what we like to call a D-Box, made by Tough Tight, eh? This is one of the new D-Boxes that they have us put in with Element Systems. It's called a dosing D-Box. Works off gravity, but it will be inletted through this pipe here, which is slightly higher than our 3 outlet pipes here. What happens is it fills this little reservoir up, and as it fills up, it'll float this bobber. And once the bobber floats up, it flushes the D-Box and forces the effluent out the headers rather than just letting gravity do the whole thing. So that's what we call a Septic Surge D-Box. They did not sponsor this video.
This video is brought to you by AG1. AG1 has helped us. It's sponsored in the past. Honestly, AG1 is something you guys see. We team up with a bunch of different brands. Definitely want to support brands that support us, but also something that I know that I bring into my own life. AG1 is something that I take every morning. I'm somebody that does fasting. I don't know if AG1 is breaking fasting or maybe it's not. I'm sure somebody will correct me on that, but I don't eat past a certain time at night, and then I don't eat breakfast or anything. I drink coffee in the morning. The only thing I do drink in the morning is AG1, and personally what I find is, you know, kind of when you wake up sometimes you get that little groggy, or maybe you're tired, your face is a little puffy or whatever. I find that when I drink AG1, it gets me going for the morning. I follow that up with my coffee and things are great. The good thing about AG1 is they try to validate how all the ingredients work in one formula and not just multiple other ones like a bunch of other brands. AG1 has 75 vitamins, minerals, and whole food sourced ingredients. AG1 also gives you daily support for energy and immune system, just to name a few, gut health and digestion, liver function. It also is free of GMOs, agar peanuts, animal byproducts. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, lactose-free. There's no added sugar. It is also free of over 500 herbicides and pesticides. Make sure to head to the description down below or scan this QR code right here on screen to get a 1-year supply of D3 and K2 vitamin drops, as well as 5 free travel packs. Thank you, AG1, for sponsoring the video.
This thing blows cold air in my face, which I like. How do you guys keep all your stuff so clean? By cleaning it.
With Blake.
By cleaning it. This is trending.
Yeah, I did the trend. We were putting the sample trays together, and I'm like, what?
Yeah. You see that on Instagram? What you gotta do is give it a spit on that thing. There you go, Blake's gone. Oh, Michael. Spit on that thing.
Crikey. Come check this out. Oh, look up there. It's a native Ontario treeman. They live in the trees. They hunt from up there. They wait, and then they pounce on their prey. Yeah, victory! My son's bigger than yours. My son's bigger than yours. My sword bigger than your sword.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
This is
a terrible shot.
You can so sweaty. I sweat. I sweat from the inside of the body and the sweat's out. The sweat's from the... My cousin Sven, he never sweat. He has no sweat gland. But me on the other hand, very sweaty. Censor that. You guys want a story? Okay, so we've been doing this quite a bit, right? Like I've been here for like 8 years. And we did a septic right over there on the corner. It was O'Hare. First one I ever did on O'Hare. Probably about 6 years ago. And you remember there used to be a little, I'm not gonna name any names, but there was a pizza shop that was fairly close to here before a tornado came and blew it to the ground. So we ordered a pizza from there. I went, picked it up, brought it back to site, and Phil and I were eating it. We're 2 pieces in deep. And he's a little hefty boy, like he's got some girth on him. Comment down below, girth. So he goes after his 3rd slice, halfway in, takes a bite, pulls it back. There's a cockroach cooked into the crust. No word of a lie, full, undisturbed. He took a bite, bubble in the crust, and it was living in the bubble, not alive no more. So I took the pizza back, a little upset, mind you. Went back to unnamed pizza place, said, excuse me, there was this cockroach baked into our pizza. Bro looked me square in the eyes, said, it happens. You want another one? I was like, no, I want my money back, bro. He's like, why would you want your money? I could just make you a new pizza. I'm like, there was a roach baked into my pizza. I'm not eating here no more. So anyway, I got a full refund. Phil finished the pizza.
I take it back. I'm fired.
Yours
Not
was-
on job site, okay? Hey, golfing today. Golf tournament, try to get us more work. What's up, Jake? Just coming to site, seeing the guys, seeing everything's looking. We got the 3 guys here. Nice big septic. Oh, dang, eh?
Like this is our road. We gotta come through here with skid steer like 150 times.
Yeah. Well, probably more.
Yeah, probably. Full buckets only.
Sweet. Full buckets only club. We should make shirts with that say full buckets only. I like that. Thanks, Corey. I'll give you 1%.
I don't need 1%.
Okay.
Just reinvest it.
No, I don't reinvest it. I think I want a Rolex or something.
But if you reinvest it, I'm reinvesting
You know how much
in my
money
future.
I make? I can't even afford shoes. This is my best club.
5 wood?
Yeah, and like look at it. It's like falling apart. See how we were talking about how much money I make? I can't even afford golf clubs. I've had these for ever, man. Oh, sorry. Cool. Is this a brand deal? Are you doing side brand deals with Ken White? I love playing hunting 3D archery calculator.
Use code HISCOCK10 to get 10% off down below.
Anyway.
Look at it's Earth pubes. Mother Earth's pubes.
Why'd you just go to suck it, Mike? That's kind of up.
You're weird for thinking that's weird.
What happens is because we work in so much sand, the grease fittings on these 2 pins are only grease it from the backside, and then a bunch of grit and shit gets stuck. I said shit. Beep! Gets stuck in the front, and then they don't travel right, and it's a shitty design. And I talked to Kat about it, and they just told me to deal with it. Just greased her this morning, you. See all that shit coming out of there, Will? Like that's just stuff from us working is jammed in there.
I'd go all night if I had my truck. I'd just come back here and dump a load, keep going.
Why can't you drive Dre's truck when he goes away? Oh, you don't know how to run a stick. Is that what it is?
The insurance won't let me
You don't know how to drive a stick?
Here we go now.
You don't know how to drive a stick? Training session. Come over here. I'll teach you.
Not again, Corey. Not again.
So right now, Corey's about to chip away the part of the tank to lower the outlet.
The technique? Go like this, like that, like that, like this. Now it comes in. What was happening before was it was coming in and flowing back. And now it does not appear to be doing that. happened in this situation was the water table was really high. And these tanks are really big. So rather than going way down into the ground and making it all unsafe and unworkable and unmanageable, they put what's called a lift station in. And what this one does is it gravity feeds into this one, and then there's a sewage grinder pump that grinds up your poop and pumps it up into the septic tank. And if you ever wonder what grinded up poop looks like, Taco Tuesday.
Why was that all yellow?
Doritos.
That's probably good.
Anybody ever wonders how I keep this physique? Right there, bud.
Oh, you kick it?
Yeah. Hurry up! You're not doing anything.
How do I kick this?
Get in there and push it.
He's got tattoos, he's bad news. Yeah, that's all anybody's ever said about me. And yeah, I like to cut loose and smoke too. You might think I chose this way of living now, but it chose me. You can hear me coming with a 6'2" humming, Guns N' Roses bumping through a 12 in the floor. I don't need me nothing but a spot out in the country. I smile when they say that I ain't me anymore. Ain't a thing changed round here but the money. You try to mix it up, but let me tell you something. Same liquor in my Dixie, same rowdy bunch with me. I'll be laid up in the dirt before you ever take it from me.
This is for sale if you want a little piece of Corey's truck. Right? This has seen many septic installations. It's got probably a little bit of blood on there from me. There's probably enough blood on there that you could clone me. Here, you want some? There you go. Now it smells like me. What? Oh my God!
That was not funny.
It was kind of funny, dude.
Wanted to make sure that everybody in Canada has an awesome, safe, long weekend. We're having a little bit of a barbecue behind me. The guys are on the shop. I'm filming over here because they would start chanting probably a bunch of stuff that we probably can't put on YouTube. But thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate it. Party hard, but party safe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. And of course, I didn't forget you guys, the True Patriots channel that watched the entire video of Cibrian, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, Happy Canada Day. Why are you commenting down below, Happy Canada Day? Well, I am proud to be Canadian, regardless of politics. So if you guys watch the entire video of Cibrian, comment down below, Happy Canada Day. Appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.